podcast for this year.
But stay tuned for the hello goodbye.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. Huh.
Look at my hydro flask.
Whoa. Okay. Good afternoon, Vikings. I'm Megan.
And I'm Kaya.
And here's your last broadcast of the year.
The leadership class created a preview of the upcoming rally on May 4th.
Here's the trailer of that rally.
The moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 preparing the Bikini Bottom Rally.
Currently, spring sports are in season.
Swimming, tennis, boys volleyball, track, and many more.
Let's see what some of the players have to say about the season so far. Okay, how are you doing this season?
This season, our team's doing very well, better than the last 3 seasons, and yeah.
What are your hopes for the end of the season?
My hopes is to just get a couple more wins and basically bond with our team.
So how's your season going so far?
This season's not going as we wish it would, but we're doing just fine.
What are your hopes for the end of the season?
To win league and go to CCS.
So how's your season going so far?
Not so good. We're 0-15 right now.
And what are your hopes for the end of the season?
To win something.
Thank you. So how's your season going so far?
Doing good. We're undefeated this season,
So how's your season going so far?
My season's been going pretty good. I've been PRing in 400 every single tournament.
How's your season going so far, and what are your hopes for the end of the season?
Our season isn't going as well as expected. However, we hope to finish up strong and win our last few meets.
Thank you.
Mills hosted their 27th annual talent show on April 20th.
Let's check out some highlights from that day.
Hope you brought your ticket to this year's prom.
This prom is going to be one to remember.
Let's take a look at the teaser for the dance. That concludes the last broadcast for this year, and stay tuned for the Hello Goodbye video.
Hope your last month of school is a memorable one, Vikings.
Check the school website for the daily bulletin.
Make sure to study for finals and enjoy your summer break. Oh, that was cute.
That was good. I like that.
Ow, my knee.